Here, tell them something.
No, right here.
Right there? Well, that's where they're gonna see you, on the computer, honey. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Say something to Dee, Layla. Go ahead. Say hi, Dee.
Hi, Dee.
Hi, Brookie.
Hi, Brookie.
Say I just saw your video.
Hi, Rubio.
And I like it.
And I like it.
And I miss you guys.
And I miss you.
And she's about to watch it again. You missed them, huh? Tell them something, honey. Go ahead.
Say hi, Layla. Hi, Layla.
I'm trying, Layla.
This?
Jump, jump, jump.
This?
Can you say hi, Miss Dina? Jump, 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 jump. Can you say hi, Miss Dina? Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump.
Who's that?
Jump, jump, jump. Dee, listen to me, I said.
What were you as for Halloween?
Cinderella.
Really? What do you think Layla was?
Who's that die?
Layla was Cinderella. Can you tell Miss Dina that you miss her cooking?
Tuning.
What about Ivan?
Hey, Ivy.
What about
Ivy.
Miss Dina's cooking? Remember Peppy and Biggie? You miss them? You give them a kiss? Yeah. Say, Layla, I'll see you soon. Say, Layla, I'll see you soon.
Bye, JJ. Go.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, JJ. And again.
Oh my God. So this will be the 10th time. Okay. They watch him again. You gotta say something to them. I'm recording you.
Hi, Layla.
Not hi, Layla. It's hi, Brookie.
Say hi to Miss Dina. Can you say hi to Miss Dina?
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Jump, jump, jump. Can you say hi, Miss Dina?
Jump, 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 jump.
Hey, say something to Miss Dina.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Jump, 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 jump.
Jump, 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 jump.
What were you as for Halloween?
Wait.
Really? What do you think Layla was?
No, I was Cinderella.
Layla was Cinderella. Can you tell Miss Dina that you miss her cooking?
No, I didn't see her.
What about Ivan? What about Miss Dina's cooking? Remember Peppy and Biggie?
Shut up, Christina. No way.
Layla, I'll see you soon.
Oh, honey.
I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Say hi. Say bye to Brooke and Dee, honey. Over here. Say bye to them. Say bye to them.